Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now, if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So, if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at some back to school hairstyle ideas or just hairstyles in general that you can wear at school. Here we have someone doing a ponytail. Now the bubble ponytail has actually been trending for like the past couple of years, and I think that's a look that's not going to go away anytime soon. And next up, we have someone with this gorgeous natural curly hair. I love the color of her hair. So pretty. She does a half up, half down style there. And then we pivot into just a variety of looks that you can rock out to school. So she added 2 braids to her hair for this look and then curled the back. 3 hairstyles that you can wear to school. So one just involves a twisted band and into some ponytails. And then we have a claw clip style. I feel like that's a go-to for many of the claw clip look. And then once again, we have some more bubble ponytails. She did 1 on each side for that one. So she does a thick double ponytail for this next hairstyle. Wow. 5 easy hairstyles. So we got the ponytail with braids, claw clip, half up, half down, half up, half down with a bun and a braid. Very cute. I like the fact that these hairstyles are nice and simple. Like when you're doing like everyday hairstyles, you don't want to do anything too crazy. You want to do something simple and kind of fast, because most of the time when you're like rushing off to school, you could be running late and you just want something fast that you could do. All right, so here we have another hairstyle with curly hair. And I will put together a full video of curly hairstyles for you. If you guys are interested in that, please be sure to make like this one. Now this hairstyle looks a little bit more complicated for, rushing off to school. This looks like something you would want to wear. It's cute, but it looks like something you might want to do on a day when you have a little bit more time in the morning. I really like her lavender sweater. So pretty. So it looks like she's doing like a messy bun here. And then we have like a sleek half up, half down style with a claw clip. And then here is our last hairstyle for today's video. She's going to be putting in the infamous bubble braids here. And what I like about the bubble braided look is that you can do that no matter what your hair texture is. And it's just a super cute, easy style. Now this might be one that you might want to try when you have a little bit more time in the morning, but still a really cute look. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of these hairstyle ideas that you can try out this school year. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.